Isabel.
380.
Ako 400. Ako 400. Ako 400.
Okay. Where is the violation? There's so Okay, I think this game is a reminder for everyone that we should watch out for our health. Especially this 2025 and the years to come, we have to be careful. Stop soft drinks, no more carbs, no more chocolate. We have to do extra. No more cigarettes, no more alcohol. Yes!
Sinabihan mo na naman yung Pepsi.
Yes! Why you don't believe me? Do I look like a joker? Oy, you don't have evidence. Okay, thank you very much for that. I think our food is ready. Is everyone hungry?
Okay,
No? Okay, so let's continue. Okay, the lowest. And he or she will receive a 24-karat gold from the Karat Philippines. And 1 year supply. We have a constant. Okay, that's good for the sugar. All right, for the lowest.
We will segregate them according to the lowest to the highest.
Nasaan yung putong ng pansit?
So hindi na sila
Yung putong ng pansit.
Sweetie.
What's your guess? The number? The sugar? Can you remember the one I showed you? The second to the last. There is 90 plus. Who is 90 plus? Male or female?
Male.
Yes, male. Who is from the male side?
Matabi-tabi ka pa dito, ha?
Next,
Kabugoy mo, eh.
73.
73.
The next one is the third, Brother Halim.
Picture ba yan? Saan ba picture ito?
I think this batch, males are more healthier than women.
Is it true?
Nanginginig ako, ikaw nga. Ikaw na. Subukoy
Don't
Ayan.
the body size. Don't be careful with that. Because sometimes body size doesn't matter. We should also include them in the sugar counting. I know they're sweeties. Are you guys sweet? Are you sweet too? You love candies?
Okay, our next is fourth to the last. Who? Male or female? Female.
Kaya nga. Dapat naka-medium ko yan.
Okay, 100 plus also. How much?
Wow. 150.
Near 115.
110.
113.
Wow, 130.
Who is he? Oh, who is she? No?
Sabihin natin itong mga
Me.
Yara.
Oh. You see, Yara is sexy, but her sugar is
130 or you just didn't eat since
sugar
morning.
is normal.
Congratulations, Ate Nice.
Give some chocolates to make her sugar higher. Yes. And later, all of our sugars will get high because of the food.
We have near 113. Who is the next one? Male or female? Female. Correct.
Oh, wow!
Cha-cha-Nani.
Your sugar is
Okay na yan.
115.
115. Yay! You see, she's very sexy tonight.
Pinagaling ko. congratulations. Okay.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Chanchay?
We're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Last.
Sundan pa. Papakain ng mahirap.
Is
Anong mahirap?
male or female?
Anong ginawa mo dyan, Chanchay?
Ay,
halo. Ang sakit sa mata. Masakit.
No.
Sabi ko sa'yo, masakit sa mata. Oh.
Jennifer Macario.
Saan banda? Wala ka namang mata eh.
Congratulations. Yes, you passed the exam. You are now a certified sugarless.
Okay, we're down to
New Year na.
3. Who is the third one?
Oh, from the laboratory department.
There is one from laboratory department, one from the cashier department, and the other one from the maintenance department. Okay, who is
Anong ginawa mo dyan, Vilma?
male or female?
Vilma Santos.
Wrong. Our own female lalaki. Okay, who do you think has the highest blood glucose sugar? Come up on stage.
Jezabel. The unbeatable.
The unbeatable queen. Okay, what do you think?
She needs a drip.
Can you believe Ate Glo taking your blood? She's second or first? Highest.
Pinayal pa rin.
What did you eat, Ate Glo, before you come here? That's why.
Okay.
What's the last food you took? Pepsi. Did you drink?
What's your guess? How much is the next RBS?
125. I want 80.
It's 200 plus.
Oh! 230.
No?
257.
Everybody shout your guess. I will check. Okay.
259.
No. Here, no, 15.
285.
Okay?
200.
The RBS
Two.
is 202.
Oh!
So the winner
Because
is,
of the Milo.
the winner is,
Jezabel. Jezabel. Jezabel.
Ate Glo.
Jezabel.
No, I'm joking. Ate Glo,